Hello, boys and girls. Today we'll be looking at our plant. So let's go ahead and look at that plant. So your plant should kind of look like this. Okay. I don't know if you can see it too well, but if, let's see. There it is. Do you see how it's a little bit brown over here? So what we're going to be doing is getting a little bit more water and pouring it in. Now I put a little bit too much water, but that's okay. The water will absorb it. You need to water it every day, a little bit every day. And before you know it, you'll start seeing some sprouts. How to feed our plant. Feed it some water. You see how it's absorbing it? Good. You want the water, you want the soil to be moist. Okay, that's it. Please remember to water your plant today. Make sure that it's by some sunlight, and make sure that when you put water, to have it underneath a plate so that it doesn't spill everywhere. Okay, so make sure you're giving it plenty of sunlight. Make sure you're giving it some water, not too much, but just a little bit. And we just have to be patient to see how our plant is growing. Okay, if in your nature journal, this is optional, you don't have to do this, but if you want, you can turn to your nature journal, write the date. So I'll show you, write the date, and then I want you to draw a picture of what you see. So right now we see pretty much just dirt, right? So what we're gonna be doing, I'm gonna move my plant over here. Let me share my screen really quick with you. Okay, I didn't put this in for your homework, so you don't have to do it, but I would like for you to do it. If you do this, and when you turn in your journal, I will give you 5 class dojo points. 5 class dojo points. So if you want 5 class dojo points, go ahead and do it. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to write the date, September 16th, 2020. And then I want you to just sketch what you see. So it's kind of like a rectangle, and it's divided into 6 parts. 1, 2, 6. These are a little bit thicker. These are a little bit thicker. And I just see dirt. So I'm going to go ahead and get my crayons and color it. Simple as that. Okay, there's not much, right? Nothing's growing yet. You can maybe put the minerals, draw some minerals. Some of the minerals in our soil. But we haven't seen anything yet. So that's all you have to do. And if you want to get a little bit more intricate and maybe draw the bottom of the tray, you can go ahead and do that. I don't think I'm going to do that though. So just go ahead and draw something like this, what you see in your tray. And record it. Okay, so you can put over here September 16th, you draw it, right, what it looks like, and I'm gonna put first, this is not the first day, this is the second day, right? Second day. Okay, and that's all you're doing today. I hope you enjoy your nature studies assignment today. and that you have a blessed day. Totus tuus, Maria.